What's up, potatoes? It's Slime Potato here, and welcome to my first video. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Pixlr, a photo editing website. Let's get started. This is the history tab of the website, where you see all your projects that you created so far. Right below the history tab is the create new tab, and well, the tab speaks for itself. Now let's put on a background. And create a project. Okay, here's the canvas, where you create your projects, and to the left of the canvas is the toolbar. You can use different tools to make your project more exciting for a friend, family member, or yourself. Before I'm going to show you our add image, arrange, cutout, and text. Let's do the first one. Add image is very important. From this tool, you can add anything from Google Images. I have mine here. There are two ways of putting your chosen image into the canvas. Number one is drag and drop. And number two is using the Browse tab. Once you press the Add Image icon, by pressing the Browse tab, you will be taken to your files, where you could pick one of your images. Now, you guys might be asking, hey, why can't I move this image? Here's where the Arrange tool comes in. Let's click the Arrange icon on the toolbar. Once on the Arrange tab, you can then duplicate your image and delete it too. There is another way to duplicate and delete, but we'll do that later. Then there is the Rotate and Flip icons. The two icons that are on the left are to rotate your image. And the two icons that are on the right are to flip your image horizontally and vertically. And you can make your image big or small and spin it around if you don't want to use the rotate icons. Now let's say you want that white stuff out from your image. Cutout is the tool for you. Let's click the cutout icon. And let's focus on the magic cutout icon. All I need to do is click the white stuff, and it be gone. What if a simple error happened? What if instead of removing the white stuff, it removed the image itself? No problem, Jimmy. We can fix that. You could simply undo your image, or if that doesn't work, delete the image from the Arrange tool or from the image layer. By pressing the three dots on the top left of your image layer, you will be taken to this little tab right here. On the bottom right of this little tab, press the little trash can, and your image will be deleted. Then just drag and drop the image, or browse your image back to the canvas. Let's say your image was a person, and you wanted it to express itself. Well, the text icon could do just that. By clicking the text icon, click Add New Text. Once you've done that, there will be a nice text. Once you delete that nice text, you can write your own nice message, like mine. Wow, such a nice message. You can then change the color of the text, the size of the text, and even the font. So that's it. I think I got all the important stuff. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you know a little bit more about Pixlr.